Animation is the study and craft of applying believable, thoughtful motion to objects, characters, and creatures. Using the same principles developed for 2D animation, artists use digital models to create 3D animation. Once a skeletal control rig is added to a 3D model, animators can start to manipulate and pose their character. After gathering reference and planning their composition, animators lay out their ideas with broad posing. This allows animators to convey their ideas quickly and easily make changes. By adding more poses throughout the length of the shot, fluid motion is created and characters are brought to life. Job opportunities include character animator, creature animator, motion editor, and previs artist.
I think one of the tricky things about learning animation is a practice-based skill, but it's also a creative skill. And a lot of people, when they undertake a creative skill, it feels like it has some kind of a reflection on you. When you're bad at a creative skill, it feels like it has some sort of a reflection on who you are. So it's scary to undertake it, and it also takes a lot of practice. What I find is the best way to approach animation or any sort of thing like music where it's practice-based, where you've been bad at it for a long time, is to keep in mind that the most important thing you can do is keep your hands on your craft, that it is just practice. Remind yourself that the only feedback anyone's ever gotten for the first few months of doing anything new is that you're actually really bad at something that you want to be good at. But to find little victories in that process, to keep your hands on your tools. I see students all the time sitting down in front of a computer and opening up Maya, and it's not what they thought. It looks gray, it looks like math. And I know that my job as a teacher isn't so much to show them what to do, but it's really to just, I call it peddling enthusiasm, to keep their hands on their tools, to buy them some victories early on, to get them fascinated and addicted really to the process and to ignore the results, because the results are always going to be disappointing. But if they can find a little bit of love for the process, then that'll keep them going. And I think it's important to remember that nobody ever got good at something they didn't enjoy doing. So you have to find something you like in the process.